Hi, welcome back to our tutorial series on AutoCAD's drawing commands. In case you have missed the previous videos of this series, you can click the link of the video on the description right down below. If you find this video is helpful, kindly hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel to get updated to more upcoming tutorials for free. Rectangles and polygons. So in order to create a rectangle or a polygon, we're going to use this rectangle or polygon tool. Click to this side. As you can see, we have a drop-down menu and we have a rectangle or polygon tool. Let's first use the rectangle tool. Select first point and select our second point or the end point. So we have now created our rectangle. Let's try another one. Select rectangle tool, select first point, select our endpoint. Let's delete this one and we'll go ahead to our polygon tool. So to access our polygon tool, we're going to click this drop down menu and we can locate our polygon tool. Click this polygon tool, click our first point or our center point. So in order to create our polygon, we are being asked on the command line to enter the number of sides, meaning we're going to enter of how many sides we're going to create our polygon. It's either 4 sides, 3 sides we create our triangle, 4 sides we create our rectangle or square, and 5 sides we are creating our pentagon and so on. So in this case, we're going to give the 3 sides. So just go ahead on this ribbon, click on the mouse, and type on your keyboard the number 3. Hit enter, and we're going to specify our center of a polygon or an edge. Click. We're being asked if it is Inscribe or Circumscribe. We'll just select Inscribe. So as you can see, as we hover our mouse, we are creating our 3-side polygon. So the triangle. To create this triangle or polygon, just click our final or end point. So we have now created our 3-sided polygon or the triangle shape. Okay, let's repeat the process. Click on the polygon, click our first point, select or enter our number of sides. Let's say for example, we're going to create a pentagon, then we'll have to enter 5-sided polygon. Hit 5 on the keyboard, select enter, specify our first point, select it's either inscribe or circumscribe. Let's try circumscribe. Click on the circumscribe or C, and we're now creating a 5-sided polygon or a pentagon. To create this one, we'll just have to select our endpoint or the second point. We have now created our pentagon shape. Let's try another polygon which has a more side. Click on the pentagon tool, enter, let's say for example, 8 sides. Select enter, then select our first point, select Inscribe or Circumscribe. Let's try Inscribe. So as you can see, we are creating our octagon or the 8-sided polygon from an inscribed method. Click our endpoint or the second point. So as you can see, we have created different types of polygon. We have the 3-sided triangle, 5-sided pentagon, and we have the 8-sided or octagon. We can also enter more than 3, 5, or 8-sided pentagons. We can enter 11, 12, 20, 30, or even 100. So it depends on how many sides you want. So this is the way on how to create our polygon inside of AutoCAD application. On the next part of this video tutorials, we're going to use and create the different objects using the different drawing commands in AutoCAD. So see you on the next video series.